Hey guys, thanks for watching this video where I'll be sharing with you how to make $10 every 10 minutes on your phone. Now, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, alright, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to subscribe and also hit the bell button to get notification every time I put up a video. Now, if you're looking to make money from home, get YouTube tips, you definitely want to subscribe. So now let's jump in and take a look. How do we make $10? This is the website called User Field, okay, where you can actually apply to become a tester. Now, when you become a tester, you actually get paid $10 every test. And each test lasts about 10 to 20 minutes, and you can complete it from your home computer or smartphone. So here's a video and I'm going to play and to show you how it really works.
So I'm on this website here, BSB. It's asking me to select my country and language, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. The first thing I'm noticing is this sale up to 50% off, so that's going to be the first place that I look. That's always something very eye-catching to me when the website mentions a sale right off the bat. That's usually where I look first for things. I'm noticing this is a fairly extensive sale. They've got a lot going on. So I think I would like to find a search. So it's right over here. And maybe search for this instead. That's interesting, the search bar, I'm noticing when I type, it's slowly narrowing it down with my words.
This is how it works. And to become a tester, all you have to come is to the top bar here and hit on the, press on the Become a Tester. And scroll down all the way at this page, and here you go, you have a Become a Tester, okay? This is where you go and apply to become a tester and earn $10 per test. So you just fill up all the details and they actually pay you via PayPal, all right? And sometimes when you apply and they may have more questions, so they will write back to you, and you just have to fill up, okay? So I'll leave a link below so that you know how you can get to here, this website. And if you find value in this video, please hit the like button and share it. I really appreciate it. This is not how I make money online. If you want to know how, check out my #1 recommendation to work from home. Go ahead and click on the link below this video.